Hey guys, it's Lou here, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the built-in dash cam inside your guys' Tesla Model 3 or any other model. Let's get started. What you guys are going to need in order for the dash cam to work is 1, a Tesla, and 2, a USB drive, preferably around 32 gigabytes or higher. So when you guys do insert it, it should pop up as over here, but we're going to go ahead and click this file right here, or you guys can click on it, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the USB stick. Go ahead and right click. After that, go ahead and go to format and make sure it's FAT32 default, or just FAT32, and then you guys want to go ahead and click start to format it. Make sure that you guys are clicking the right one, otherwise you are going to be erasing everything on it. So make sure you guys are formatting the right one. If you guys are not formatting the right one, then obviously everything that you had in that thing is gone. So after you guys have done that, go ahead and click on it, and as you guys can see here, everything is gone. After you guys have done that, go ahead and right click inside in this area and go ahead and click new folder and type in capital T E S L A capital C A M. Should be Tesla Cam. With a capital TNC. So after you guys have done that, you guys are pretty much good to go to plug it in. So let's go to MacBook side, shall we? So right now we are in the MacBook, guys, and right now we have our USB stick right here, and right now we're gonna go ahead and put it in the side. There we go. And then if you guys have one of those older MacBooks, then obviously you guys have USB, but if you guys have one of those newer MacBooks that only have USB Type-C, obviously you are gonna need to have an adapter. So after that, go ahead and give it a few seconds, and it should either pop up in the main screen over here. In order to make sure, we're going to go ahead and go to Finder. If I can, there we go. And scroll down over here until you can see USB. After you guys know that, go ahead and go in this Spotlight and type in Disk Utility. Make sure you guys click the USB, click erase, and then make sure you guys are doing it. Alright, sorry about that, guys. So yes, I was right. So you guys want to go ahead and click erase, and then go ahead and click MS-DOS FAT, and then you guys can name it whatever you guys want. Right now I'm going to name it exactly what it was before. Alright, and guys, after you guys have done that, go ahead and go to Finder, and then find it again, and make sure you guys, when you guys go into info, it says right over there, MS-DOS FAT32. So what you guys want to do now is go ahead and right click. If you guys don't know how to right click, it's Control, and just click on it. Go ahead and click new folder, and type in capital TESLA, capital CAM. So that should be Tesla Cam. And after you guys have done that, let's go ahead and go to the Tesla. Alright guys, so after you guys are here in the main dashboard, what you guys do need to do is go ahead and put that one down, lift this up, and lift that part up. After you guys have done that, you guys will see 2 USB ports here. The reason why we cannot use the ones in the back is because this only transfers power only. The one in the front here transfers both data and power. So right now, since we formatted our USB stick right here, what you guys want to do is unplug one of them. So we're going to unplug the left one for me, and then we're going to go ahead and plug in our USB stick, if I can find it. There we go. After you guys have done that, in the top right, in a few seconds here, it should pop up as a new icon, which is, here it is. So pretty much, let's go ahead and explain this right now. Let's go ahead and close this. So it records for the past 10 minutes of you driving. So if something happens and you want to record it, you can tap on it and it will save for the past 10 minutes. Alright guys, so right now it just got done saving the file. So right now there is no red dot indicating that it is not recording at the moment. So if you guys wanted to continue recording, go ahead and tap and hold on it. And then now it has a red dot. So if you guys wanted to pause recording or pause it again, you just tap and hold it on it again and it should. But sometimes it's very iffy on my part. I don't know if it's because of the USB stick or if it's because of the Tesla. I'll troubleshoot some things and see if I can. Oh, there you go. No, it turned off. So yeah, give it a second and it will stop recording. And so right now I'm gonna go ahead and show some footage of the recordings and a little something.